Is Gemini 2.0 Pro is better for SEO? Now I'm inside Google AI Studio. Now you can go type in Google AI Studio and check this out. And when you're inside Google AI Studio and you want to simply select the chat, and here in the run settings, make sure this is turned on if you're in case not able to identify this. And inside the run settings you need to, by default it will be 2.5 Pro, so it's a fifth. So as you can see, it has been recently released 6th of May. Now what this feature has, so it has best for coding, reasoning, multimodal understanding, use cases, reason over complex problems, tackle difficult code, math, STEM, use long context. And let's look at how it is good at reasoning, thinking, right, analyzing the SEO optimization and every single thing. Now I'm inside dashboard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick a keyword. For the keyword, we're gonna be using SEMrush tool, SEO tool for keyword research for SEO. Now here I'm inside the SEMrush dashboard. Now you can go to the keyword magic tool, and here what you want to do is, I'm just gonna give a keyword. Select the country which you want to rank for, and here I'm going to type in, what I'm gonna type in here is, so let's just say, what can I type in? Side hustles, right? One second, side hustles. Now let's see what this side hustles, let me just pick a keyword. Now we have got 17,000 keywords, that's a lot. I'm just gonna go with the low keyword difficulty. I'm gonna go with this keyword, side hustles. I can start today. This is very relevant and user intent. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Google Studio. Now what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to give a prompt, and the prompt follows like this. I have this keyword, and paste the keyword with keyword difficulty, with KD of 62, and I have domain rating 2. I'm giving completely giving the data. The more data you give to these models, the better and faster it can craft the information. I want to write a blog article on the keyword, the keyword, and I need to follow all the SEO best guidelines from this page. Now the page is gonna be Google Starter SEO Guide itself. Now I'm going to take this URL and give it to the Gemini itself, and craft a good SEO optimized article, and make sure it is minimum 800 words. Let's give it 800 words and come up with SEO meta title, description. That's enough, and best external links to embed in the article. Alright, embed, I just made a spelling mistake. Now control enter, it's gonna run, and let's see. We have got a caution right here. I don't know why the model cannot open links. It's fine though, it's fine. So let's just see what the SEO optimization it does with provided info, with the trained information it has. Now it went on thinking, this is challenging but exciting task, ranking for KD 62 with a DR2 site, very long-term goal. The article will need to be exceptionally helpful, user-focused. So it's very good, it thought, user-focused and well-structured. We have got the meta title first, 10 actionable side hustles you can start today, beginner-friendly. Now this title is very good, clickable. Meta description, let's see. Ready to boost your income. Now this looks AI influence, guys, come on. discover 10 plus practical side hustles you can start with minimal investment. Okay, and then blog article in today's fast-paced world. Okay, all right. I can identify the AI signatures pretty easy, guys. Come on, at this point I have seen 100 plus of blog articles written by AI, and these are the very the minimum mistakes the AI can do. Okay, all right. Now we have the IRS. Okay, one of the external link from IRS. That's good. Conclusion. And we can also ask it to add FAQs. But you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to input the keyword. So what is my keyword? I'm going to do some reverse engineering SEO side hustles that I can start today. Go input the keyword and see what the top article is coming from. Okay, it's coming from Shopify, and we have got all this. What I'm going to do is copy this URL maybe, and go into the Gemini, and here you want to select the 2.5 Pro experimental. Okay, it will be new, best for complex tasks, and give a blog article link right here which you have got from your top competitors. This is my competitor website, and I think make some improvements in this article in SEO terms and write back. Okay, let's see if it actually access the URL from gemini.google.com, because in the AI studio we couldn't, and I think it should from gemini.google.com, because yesterday when I saw this the model wasn't available right here, but now it is. The Shopify article, okay, now it has access to the URL. Okay, it can read the web, and it is rewriting. Okay, by implementing these SEO improvements, the already informative article on site can achieve better. I want you to rewrite the whole article. Rewrite the whole article. Improving. Okay, so I just went on, it gave me some guidelines and best SEO tips, but I need the Gemini to write an entire article, rewrite the entire article, improving this. Like, this is one of the SEO hack, guys. Take your competitor article, analyze the keywords, and give it to any AI model which has a deep research, deep web access, like website reading the URLs access, and it improves along the way, rewriting the entire thing. Like you are literally taking inspiration, and the models really get inspired from this article and rewrite, improving the SEO. It can be a lot of sometimes it can be a lot of AI influence, but you put it in a doc or put it in a any humanizer and it does the job, right? Now you can see we have got plenty of information right here, H1, H2. Okay, still it is not generating an article. I don't know why is it not generating. Maybe because of the the brand, the Shopify. This framework provides a robust foundation of reading the article application of. Okay, why don't you write it now itself? We're just playing with the AI. The user asking why I can't write. Based on my previous response, the scale and complexity, but I need to be more direct. Limitation of generating such a large volume of high quality SEO content in a single conversational time. Okay, I got it. I think it's a really struggling with the long length of the article. What does it mean? Let me know in the comments. rewrite specific section. Would you like me to proceed with rewriting the introduction? Okay. It is, it is dividing chunks of information, and it is asking me to go one by one. Okay, that's good. I don't want this AI to stress out, use all its brain power to crop the entire single article. We can go one by one. Now, it's a very important that you need to take care of the AI influence right here. Okay. Now let me just go through one of these overviews. What is this site as well? Why is it compelling option? Okay, launch and monetize YouTube channel. And then we have, where is the first one? H1, H2, H3. Okay. Alright guys, I think this is it, and we have FAQs. Okay, well, good. Alright, so I think by far this model, Gemini overall, like, it is not that good as Claude, as far as I have seen Claude and ChatGPT. Like, compared to ChatGPT and Claude, DeepSeek is the fastest one and less AI influence, and Claude is more, it's like a more creative, and like the articles from the Claude is really good, guys. ChatGPT Pro models right too, but you need to have a Pro subscription. So that's that. This is Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is the latest model, and this is SEO writing, blog writing article tutorial, and this is SEO blog writing article example from Gemini 2.5 Pro. And also I have a complete playlist on increasing your website organic traffic. I made a 3-hour tutorial on blogging. I made 1-hour tutorial on keyword research for SEO, and you will find all these links right here, so you can check that out. It will all be in a playlist, all the tools you require. It's a free tutorials. You can also see 1-hour keyword research video right here. And with that being said, click this video to watch 1-hour free keyword research tutorial for SEO.